Hello, design furniture family. Are you looking to give your wooden furniture a fresh, natural look? Today, we're going to show you how to refinish wooden furniture to achieve a raw wood or natural wood finish. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need sandpaper, in various grits, a sanding block or electric sander, a putty knife, wood filler, paint stripper, a brush, clean cloths, and a clear wood finish like polyurethane or a natural oil finish. Step 2. Remove old finish. Start by applying a paint stripper to the furniture's surface with a brush. Allow it to sit according to the manufacturer's instructions, then use a putty knife to scrape off the old finish. Step 3. Sand the surface. Start with coarse grit sandpaper, to remove any remaining finish and smooth out imperfections. Step 4. Fill imperfections. If there are any holes or cracks, use a wood filler to fill them. Apply the filler with a putty knife, let it dry, and then sand it smooth with fine grit sandpaper. Step 5. Clean the surface. Wipe down the entire piece with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris from sanding. Allow the wood to dry completely. Step 6. Apply a clear finish. Choose a clear wood finish such as polyurethane, clear wax, or natural oil. Apply it with a brush or cloth, following the direction of the wood grain. Allow it to dry, then lightly sand with fine grit sandpaper, 320 grit, between coats for a smooth finish. Step 7. Final touches. Once the final coat is dry, give the piece a final wipe down with a clean cloth. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to refinishing wooden furniture to a raw or natural wood finish. With a little patience and effort, you can transform your old furniture into stunning, natural wood pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips from Design Furniture. Until next time, happy refinishing.